What is up? I am Gene Darden with the Southern Realty Specialist Team and Real Brokerage. Today, your neighborhood drive-by tour is of the Riverwoods subdivision in Helena, Alabama. This is one of Helena's premier subdivisions. It's been around since the early 2000s. We've still got new construction going on here in development. The Cahaba River snakes through this neighborhood. You've got all sorts of houses in this neighborhood. You got 3-bedroom, 2-bath slab houses all the way up to over $1 million with some acreage. So, what I'm going to do is take you on a ride through this neighborhood. If you're looking to move into town, I hope this helps you, saves you a trip, or gives you some insight. And if you're interested in buying in this neighborhood, give me a call, 205-426-1113. Last but not least, if this helps you in any way, please like. It helps me a lot. Subscribe if you dig the channel. All right, let's go. Drive-by time. Clubhouse and the pools, one of the first things you see when you enter the neighborhood. So check it out. If you ever want to throw a little birthday party, have a little fun, relax, and stay cool, there it is. On the left side, there's another part of that walking trail I was telling you about. It leads back to a few inland lakes in this section of the neighborhood. It's very cool. You can see as you get back here, you're going to see a lot more custom houses. Some of the lots are bigger. Really nice homes. And if you go all the way to the back, the Cahaba River runs across the back, and there's some 2- and 3-acre lots. It's really big, pretty houses. So let's go check it out. Part of the neighborhood, what you will find is some of these are newer homes, and also, like I told you, they're on bigger lots, and a lot of these are 1- or 2-acre lots. And if you go to the end of their lot, they back up to the Cahaba River, which is a very popular river around here that people like to canoe, kayak, fish, those type things on. So this is an excellent section, and when you get back here toward the end of this street, you'll see some of those $1 million houses I was discussing as well. So check it out. Actually about to come up on one of my listings, 904 Long Street. It's right at 4,100 square feet, and we're listed at $740,000. There she is. So this concludes your tour of the Riverwoods subdivision. We didn't hit all the streets, but we hit some high points to give you a pretty good idea of what this neighborhood has, what it offers, and there's so much more. So if you're interested in more, just DM me or leave a comment that says send me more information on Riverwoods. And again, if this was helpful to you, please like, please share, please subscribe. I appreciate you checking this out. Gene Darden, the Real Brokerage Southern Realty Specialist Team. Have a blessed day.